What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I hope every single one of you are having a good day. I hope you're enjoying the videos I've been posting. But we got a little something for little vet here. I'll show you. Just give me a second. So, what I got here is the cheapest light bar I could find, but still a light bar. I got a 15-inch light bar with a wiring harness. Now it says it has it for two, but I only got one, so I'm probably gonna have to wire that one on together. And I'm hoping I'll be able to either fit it here in this area or in behind the grill. But if I was to do it behind the grill, I'm not entirely sure how I'll put it behind the grill there, because that would mean I'd have to take this part off, and I already have tried before and I broke it. Typical Tavi thing to do. But first things first, let's get all this stuff unboxed. Alright, nothing in there. Oh, dang. Alright, that looks pretty simple. Alright, so as you can see, let me slide it down here. But looks like we have a remote, and we have one of the brackets for one of the sides. I assume another bracket here, and our hardware right here. I guess everything comes in here. And oh, this is all the wiring, and you get some free styrofoam. But all right, here we go. Here she is. Actually doesn't look that bad. Now, I have put one of these on my buddy's truck. I actually put two of these, and I wired it in a different way because Walmart didn't have this wiring. But Walmart didn't have this wiring harness here. So let's see what all consists of that. I don't know if you guys have watched my Hot Boy Explorer video, but this is basically the same stuff, except I guess this stuff's better. I mean, it's still Walmart brand, but I mean, hey. So this is what it says. It comes with a 9-foot cable with a switch and fuse and relay, which is basically all we need. Let's see. And a giant styrofoam block. Nice. Alright, so it seems like it's gonna be simple. So as you can see, we have just about everything we need here. We got, of course, the wire for two. I'm gonna have to find a wire nut and close that off. But we have wires, and we got our switch, which is right here. Looks like ground, hot, and cold, I guess. I don't know. We got our battery terminals right here, our terminal connections, and basically, let's see, I think this might be like a 5-amp fuse, 30 amp fuse, my bad, 30 amp fuse, and relay. So yeah, so let's get to mocking this up and seeing how I'll probably be able to put it here, but we'll start mocking this up and see where I can place it. I don't really want it on top of anything, so kind of want a nice sleek look, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know how the lighting is right now, but here's a little update on how it's going. So I realized that I could not put here. So I realized I could not put that thing right there. So I had to take the grill off, which is sitting right here. Managed to break two clips, which is not as many as I was thinking I would, but I am trying to set the light bar. Let's see if I can do this right here, like that. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is cut out some of these cooling fins to fit in between that beam right there. So these and that, and see how it goes. I need to grab a marker to start marking things up. It is a little dark, so I apologize. It just tends to get dark at like 5 o'clock. So I got the fins cut out. As you can see, so she kind of sits up there a little bit better. Kind of in the grooves there. You can't really see it, but I got the holes marked up, as you can't really see. And I'm about to drill them out so I can get it mounted, but it sits a little bit further back in. I'm gonna double check to make sure that everything, like each hole, is the same length, or same length far back, so it'll sit evenly on both sides, not pointing one way or the other. So we'll get to that. I got something in my eyes because I should have wore safety glasses when I was grinding them out. But anyway, let's get this done, get the holes drilled, get this thing mounted. So I have drilled the holes here and I have it secured. Now I did take this piece of wire, kind of wrap it up just for extra safety, because I really don't want this bouncing around, because I think this is plastic here, or that I drilled through both layers, so there's not really that much good rigidity structural stuff. It's just like, just bending around like this. You can't really see it, but I think she's pretty much centered. She's almost centered. She's off by like 1/4 of an inch, but I'm not too worried about that. Now I'm gonna try test fitting the grill wherever I put it, right there, and see if she'll go over this thing, and then we'll get to wiring it, which will be pretty simple. And I'm hoping I can find something big enough to drill this out for the hole. Alright, so I just put the grill on, and as you can see, we are getting a little bit of blockage here, but to be honest, I don't think it'll make that much of a difference. As long as the light shines through it, that'll be alright. You can barely see the wire, which was the look I was trying to go for. Just trying to get it subtle looking. Can't really notice it's on, but I forgot to paint these. So until they start getting rusty, I'll just leave it like that. I guess it's not that big of a deal that they're not painted right now, but until they start getting rusty, I'll worry about them then. Meanwhile, I'll probably order new clips for the grill so I can actually put it on correctly. I do actually have a little crack somewhere in here because I'm just really bad at being careful. For a little while later, I just got the wiring done. Kind of had it started taking it and tucking it all away. But alright, so as you can see, light bar. I didn't have any solder or tape, so I just heat shrunk everything together. This is the extra light right there. Let's see if I could show you. And right here's the light itself. So second light, not hooked up because I don't have a second light. Here's that light right there behind the grill. So that's gonna be tucked there. Kind of have everything kind of janky, like zip tied up. At least I know it's not going to get pinched or anything, which is great. And plus all the covering that goes over this will be covering it all up. So, you know, ugliness doesn't matter. Now here, different story. Had to find a place to put this relay right here. So I found a ground and I connected it to that, which kind of left it a little short for these two. But if you ever watched my Hot Boy Explorer episodes, it kind of looked exactly like that, except even worse. So it doesn't help that this sub-wire's right here either. Now, I will be honest with you guys, this wire in here is not at all the cleanest. I have yet to get like a step-up bit to put the switch, but as you can see, the switch is right here, and if we turn her on, boom, she lights up everything. And apparently this remote here, if I can find it, here's the remote. All right, so, oh yeah, turns it off, turns it on. So brighter, brightest, and then apparently there's a strobe light, really fast strobe light, super fast, kind of like police, and then hold it 3 seconds, turn it off. And if I just press that, boom, yelling at me. So low beam, high beam, then you're ready for it. Light bar. See, I don't know if that's bright. Wow, I can actually see things. High, low, high, strobe lights, super bright. That's like super bright. Alright, let's turn off high beams. Okay, you can kind of tell a difference on camera, not really in real life. Let's just turn off the lights. So that's what she looks like. Let's see, that's super dim. That's bright. That's brighter. Yeah, I can kind of see like the woods back there, kind of looks cool. And then that's dark, medium, bright. And then this is flashing. Okay, so if people need to get out of my way, I guess I could just turn them off if I wanted. Alright, cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. And hope you guys liked it. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.